mis amigas y feliz día and welcome back. Okay, so aquí en este día momento it's Saturday. So in this video I will be putting clips from previous days that I've been cleaning my carpet. So I'm on a mission, mis amigas, if you guys don't know my previous videos that I mentioned, but I have a mission on cleaning my carpets. So I've done my bedroom, and now I did yesterday. Well, yesterday I did the dining room, kitchen area, so that's done. So my next thing to do is the living room. So I'm not sure if I'll be doing it in this video, but if not, I'll keep it later for you guys to see it some other time. So we'll see. Because ahorita estoy limpiando la sala, so I have my vacuum right there. So I did start this video already, but I had to change the card, my SD card, because se me llenó de espacio, and I was like, oh my gosh, like freaking out. I was like, I don't even know if I have another one for more space or whatever. So luckily I did have this one, pero so yeah, mis amigas. So also, mis amigas, las voy a tener limpiando que cualquier cosa here and there, because I went to go to my room and where I have all of my camera stuff and everything like that. It's a hot mess. So I want to go over there and clean up the little drawer that I do have as well, and finish up the living room and do that, and maybe do other stuff here and there. So just keep watching this video if you guys liked cleaning videos, and don't forget to like this video and comment down below what your favorite thing is to clean around your house. So with that being said, let's get started with this video, mis amigas, and thank you guys so much for coming back. Ok, mis amigas, so aquí me están viendo que estoy en la sala. So I was just so happy that I was able to clean la sala, because my couches, mis amigas, no sé con ustedes, but I need to get in a habit on cleaning under my couches, like los colchones and stuff, because it was a mess, mis amigas. Saqué estas ligas y que wrappers, and it was just a hot mess. And I was able to vacuum up everything up so nicely. And in the beginning, I was like, what the heck did I get myself into? But, you know, mis amigas, tenemos que hacerlo. We have to keep our homes nice and clean as much as we can. So, now that I'm doing some videos, mis amigas, ya estoy viendo que I don't know about you guys, how you guys organize yourself when you guys clean, But, you know, in my household, I know that I like to clean various areas in the weekend and the weekdays. So I am trying to do, you know, trying to get to a rhythm to see what works best for me. So right now, I am just trying to test, you know, things like here and there to see what's better for me and my household, like I said. But with that being said, mis amigas, I was just happy that I was able to clean my couches because it was so dirty and I found so whole bunch of stuff under here. Okay, mis amigas, so I feel like this whole video was just me dando vacuum and cleaning my carpets, but don't mind me, mis amigas, porque I was putting this video together and I was like, oh my gosh, solo eso. But that's okay, mis amigas. So I just wanted to share with you guys what I was doing this day, and I was so productive, and it was just such an amazing feeling spraying this disinfecting all over my house. Like when I do that, mis amigas, saco mis perros. So I do take out my dogs out just because like disinfecting spray is not good for neither of us. But you know, I worry about my doggies, so los saqué para afuera. And I am just so grateful that I was able to clean because mi casa, mis amigas, no se nota that it's dirty, but it does get dirty. Like it starts building up dust, and like if I don't take care of it, like I said, like it starts accumulating, and like the, you know, the my cleaning gets like stacked up or something like that, mis amigas. But like I said, como les dije, I need to get into a rhythm right now to see what's best works for me. Like I don't know with cleaning, but with you guys, but if I say Mondays is like living room or anything like that, like I cannot do that. But you know, I'm gonna try my best to find a rhythm that works best for me. So we'll see. Ok, mis amigas, so en este mueblecito es que les estaba diciendo que this is where I keep all, for the most part, todas mis cosas que necesito de mi camera and stuff like that. So I've had this little thing for, let's see, like 5 years now, I think, and it's really still in good condition, because in my other house that I did live, it was a really smaller space, so I didn't need something smaller and, you know, kind of like this sizing, so it worked out for me. But anyways, amigas, so I decided to bring it over here to this house, obviously, and kind of like put like all of my camera stuff, like I said, mis amigas, pero fíjense para que vean. So when I open this stuff, it is a hot mess. So my goal is here is, I don't know how to put it back and organize it or whatever, but my goal right here is to put like all of my, no, not this one, but all of my, si acá tengo más cosas, oh my gosh, so thick. Todos mis, ¿cómo se llaman? Las SD cards in this little bag that I did, whoop, that I did buy on Amazon. So it has little pouches there because I have them. Oh, right here, miren. Aquí las tenía todas, mis amigas, pero ya tengo más de 6. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put them together. And to be honest, mis amigas, no las tengo organized like which one was my first one, my second one, and stuff like that. But I'm gonna just go ahead and just put them in there. You can kind of look through this to see if there's like stuff that I don't need. For example, esta cajita que está still empty. So just to kind of see and kind of go over it. So es lo que voy a hacer yo ahorita mismo. So this right here is for the SD card. So what you do with it, you put it in like here, and basically you just put it onto your computer. You plug it into your computer. Pero mira nomás, mis amigas. So I think I'm gonna just keep this one because this is from where I started, and then this one was so cheap, mis amigas. The quality of like it's just so cheap. Es una cosita redondita así. But it was just so freaking cheap. I remember my SD card would always fail, and then like it was just so loose. It was just a hot mess. So I'm gonna just keep this one for memory, but I bought this new one right here, and I really like this one because it has 2 slots from them. It says a bigger one and then another one for the camera, but this one is so much better. And like I said, like it doesn't even wiggle or anything like that, but you know, voy a tener plásticos, ya se lo quité, but I really like this one. So I will be linking this one if you guys are interested in getting a new one for yourself, or if you need somebody that needs one. I will be linking this one down below because it is amazing. Ok, mis amigas, miren para que vean todo esto. Bueno, estas son unas cosas que yo siempre uso. So I have my bag for my camera that I did. It came with it with my camera, so I'm gonna just might as well use it until it kind of like when I feel to buy another one. And I use this one all the time. And this is just a speaker that I can use it in the shower, so I'll keep it together. Y esta cosa también, esto es para el carro. So I have not used this one yet, but I should. I better use it like sooner than later. But all you have to do is just plug it. I mean, not plug it. This goes into the mirror in front, and then you just put your camera there. So I'm gonna keep this here. And then this is just my charger from my camera. And this is just a, ni sé cómo se llama esta cosa, mis amigas, or a hard disk. And this is where I put all of my videos and pictures and stuff like that on that one. So this is a must. So I'm gonna just keep everything here in that one right there. Plus my stand también. Bueno, no va aquí adentro, but it comes in there too. And again, I'm gonna be putting all of my SD cards in this little baggie right here. Yo te les voy a enseñar what it looks like in here. And this is just an extra charger. But anywho, mis amigas, esto yo ni sé qué es, mis amigas. Eso es basura, pero esto la verdad ni sé. Maybe I'm gonna just go ahead and throw it away or something. I am not too sure. Yo la verdad ni sé. Like, I don't know. I know it's a car charger, but ni funciona. Like, no sirve, mis amigas. No sé, no entiendo. So I'm gonna go ahead and just look at that quickly before I do anything. But for now, let me focus on this and kind of put it back together.